Getting pretty cute, Logie. Sit nice still for the lady. Nice and still. Your hair got so long. Whoopsie. Nice. Did it tickle a little? The Land Before Time 8. Oh, good grief. How many of these things did they make?
A lot. A lot of them.
Land Before Time. You like those. Where's the brother? Let me check on brother over here. Where's brother? You're being a good boy. You're looking at your dino book. Oh, there's a snake. You like snakes? You like snakes? What does a snake say? I'm gonna watch Logie getting his hair cut. Oh, you're getting so handsome. You're so cute, sweetie. Now it won't be so blowy in the wind.
Well, it'll be nice and clean. There's that mean T-Rex.